Hello, everybody.
Hi.
We are BellaDati, the beautiful data people, and we are inventing the way how business users can interact with business data. Actually, just half a year ago, we launched BellaDati officially in Santa Clara in California, and today we've got the headquarters in Singapore, headquarters in Prague in Czech Republic, and headquarters in Chicago. And the customers like Red Bull, Korean Telecom, and New World Resources. And I am extremely proud to be here today and present BellaDati solution as well for National University of Singapore. Next to me is sitting as well Aislinn, our customer success analyst. So let's speak a little bit more about the Agile BI market and about the philosophy of Agile data analytics before we start with the brief, deep technology introduction of BellaDati that will be realized by Aislinn. One would say that at the beginning of everything is the woman. And actually in 1855, it was Lady Nightingale who helped dramatically improve the performance of army hospitals in London. And everything what she needed was just a pencil, paper, and basic mathematical knowledge. But in 1990s, all the things with the BI became very complex and complicated. So the mission of the BellaDati is to bring back the agility and common sense and human touch into the business intelligence world. And we are doing it with the disrupting technologies. So imagine that you would like to get more insights on your sales, marketing, production, or virtually any business data. In this case, you should say ciao to BellaDati, because BellaDati can turn all this data into the visualized dashboards and reports in its own data warehouse. And all you need as a business user, you need just the browser or mobile device. Actually, we have got over 100 ready-made data connectors that let you analyze data from the huge Oracle databases, from the social networks, or you can connect just to the very simple Excel spreadsheet. Well, the beauty is that you don't have to code. You've got the ETL tool inside that lets you connect to the data. You can automatically upload the data. BellaDati automatically detects the type of the data. And then you can click and start to create your first report. What does it mean for business analysts? For business analysts, it means that you can combine and filter the KPIs. You can create a field sales data reports, geo reports. And again, the beauty is that the business analyst is focused on the data analysis. They do not have to really code. They can use the mathematical formulas. They can use the linear regression formulas to do the what-if forecasting. And they basically do not have to change the underlying data warehouse layer. So that's the benefit for the business analysts. On the other side, you have got the business users. And business users, they need to have it in much more easy way, in much more easier fashion. So on the business users is focused our mobile BI part. And the mobile BI solution from BellaDati let you literally pull out all your reports out of your pocket. So you can just filter the KPIs, you can change the time scales, for example, and you can comment on the KPIs and share it with your colleagues. But the other thing is that BellaDati is not just the tool. It is as well the data platform that lets you develop your own analytical applications. So as a developer, since we are here on technical university, for you it's interesting that like a developer, you can use our SDK, you can use our APIs to build your own analytical applications. And thanks to this, you can make the BI much more easier because you can create focused task and industry-focused analytical applications. On the other hand, the BellaDati can be seen as a social network for business data analysis for the reports, because all these online reports can be shared between business users. You can create a report, you can share it online directly to your colleagues, to your team, and comment on the important numbers. Most recently, we introduced very cool features. The first feature is called Bella App. This feature is focused on the analysts, on the business analysts, and they can create their own analytical applications, industry-focused applications with predefined KPIs, predefined dashboards. So at the end of the day, the analytical people and the companies do not have to start from the zero. They can just use our Bella apps, and they can start to create the reports. The another great feature introduced 2 months in Russia, in Moscow, was MongoDB feature. Maybe you know that MongoDB lets you analyze massive unstructured data. So thanks to this feature, you can analyze, for example, data from the Twitter or news articles in very easy fashion. So this is regarding the technology. Speaking of the university partnerships, we are a young company, but actually, while we were still developing the BellaDati back in 2008, 2010, we already established some partnerships in our home country with the biggest technology university there, with the Technology University in Ostrava, and we are nurturing the communication between the universities. Actually, at the university in Ostrava, already 200 students is using BellaDati to teach the Agile BI. They are learning how to use Agile BI for the economic at the economic faculty, and as well at the technology faculties. And we are nurturing this communication between universities. Last but not least, we are about to introduce as well the competition for students. We will announce this competition in September, and it will be regarding the creation of the new Bella apps and as well the third-party applications. So this is the brief introduction to the BellaDati, and now I would like to ask Aislinn to go in more technical details, and then you can as well ask, I hope, a lot of questions. Thanks.